It's time for Pie Noon. Hello everyone, welcome to another slice of Pie Noon. So today I wanted to do something a little different. Now I know not everybody has the time to make pies from scratch for dinner or bringing a dessert to your party that you're hosting or someone else's party. Nobody has time to make pies anymore from scratch. I thought today I would do a pie review. I went out and bought a bunch of pies and I tried them out. So I'm gonna show you guys one of my favorite pies that I recommend you bringing to your party or hosting. So let's get started. So I took a picture of a pie that I'm doing a review of today. It's Patti LaBelle's Peach Cobbler. I love a good peach cobbler. I mean, I think it's just the southern in me or whatnot, but I love a good peach cobbler. Now the problem is everybody does it wrong. And so when I saw this at Walmart, I was a bit skeptical, but I saw the name on it. I was like, Miss Patti LaBelle, she's gonna do it right. She knows the stuff. I brought it home with me and now we're gonna taste it together. I posted a picture of what the box looked like and what the inside pie looked like. I really love the packaging of it, first of all, and the smell from the box, oh my god, it was heavenly. So I don't know how you guys like your pies, but I like mine a little warmed up with some ice cream. It could be vanilla, anything, but I didn't want to overpower the peach cobbler taste of it. Here's what the pie square looks like. I cut it out and I warmed it up a little bit. Now you could do it in the oven if you want. You could also do it in the microwave, but I suggest you just go by what you like. So we're gonna go ahead and taste this now. I mean, right off the bat, the peach itself looks really fresh. I don't know how she made it so fresh looking. The smell is so good right off the bat. It doesn't smell like, it doesn't smell store-bought, even though I bought it from Walmart. The fact that it's still juicy, it doesn't taste like it's from a can. So good. The crust itself though, super flaky. Oh my gosh. Not too sweet, but sweet enough. And you could tell there's so much flavors. It's not just pure sugar in this. It's so good. I'm wishing I have like vanilla ice cream right now. But yeah, this is a really good pie. I totally recommend this for any type of party, dinner party, lunch party, brunch party, even a me party. Me parties are parties that you have by yourself to kind of celebrate yourself. And I know a lot of people think that's weird, but I think it's important that people celebrate themselves because, you know, go you. You're trying hard every single day to do you. I think this is a winner pie for me. So good. Miss Patti LaBelle really, really did it. Home run, girl. So good. I don't want you guys to see me continue eating, so I'm gonna say that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this review, and I'm gonna try to do more pie reviews for you in the near future, but that's all for now. Thank you for joining me for another slice of Pie Noon, and remember, it's Pie Noon somewhere. Bye guys.